BIMSTEC. What is the full form? Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation. Again, look at the area. What would be the focus area? Countries in and around Bay of Bengal. All right. Bay of Bengal, everyone is aware? Yes or no? So what you have to do is minus from this grouping, minus kar do Afghanistan ko, minus Pakistan also, and replace Maldives with Myanmar. What did I say? Replace Maldives with Myanmar, add Thailand to it, remove Pakistan and remove Afghanistan. तो क्या हुआ combination? लिखिए. The countries, Bay of Bengal, अगर किसी को full form नहीं पता है तो starts by writing the full form, otherwise just write BIMSTEC. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation. Bay of Bengal Initiative. Oh. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation. 7 member nations. So India. Is India in both SAARC and BIMSTEC, everyone? Okay. Bangladesh. Is it in both the groupings? Bhutan. Again, both the groupings, everyone. Nepal. Both the groupings. How about Sri Lanka? Yeah. How about Myanmar? SAARC में नहीं है, BIMSTEC में है. You have to focus here. Myanmar. How about Thailand? SAARC में नहीं है, BIMSTEC में तो है ही, तभी लिख रहे हैं. So India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and Thailand. That's why I say minus Pakistan, Afghanistan, replace Maldives with Myanmar and add Thailand to it, you get BIMSTEC. Now understand the entire combination here. इसमें कुछ एक important points आपको समझ में आएंगे. One is the irritant factor is out. So Pakistan is out of the story. So वो जो regional conflict primarily India Pakistan की थी वो यहाँ पर solve हो गई. जो पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था वो भी सॉल्व हो गया बिकॉज नाउ यू डोंट सी द एंटायर पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान स्टोरी हियर एंड देयर इज वन मोर थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड यू सी Southeast Asian countries of Myanmar and Thailand being integrated into South Asia. So can it also be seen as a coming together of South Asia and Southeast Asia? वो Southeast Asia के elements यहाँ पर कौन से आ गए? Myanmar and Thailand. So can BIMSTEC also be looked at while we are discussing, can also be looked at as a bridge between South Asia and Southeast Asia because it involves 2 countries which are primarily belonging to the region of Southeast Asia.